Okay. I haven't glued the top down. They haven't filled up these yet. They're very calm. There's loads of them with the heads stuck in. Look,
you've got jam.
Loads of them heads stuck in, drinking the syrup because of the smoke.
Oh, right.
And this white wrinkle, that's capped honey.
Capping off.
Except probably sugar syrup. But
why would smoking them make them drink?
well, they think it's going to be a forest fire and the hive's going to burn down. So what they do is they're basically trying to salvage as much honey as possible. So they drink their honey, so that if the hive burns down, they can get another place to live, and then sort of take as much as they can from that one.
Oh, well, that one's fuller, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's in those then? It's well properly stuck this side.
Well, you see all of those uncapped.
Yeah.
That means that all the ones that were breeding in there have all hatched.
Oh, they've hatched. Oh, that's brilliant.
It's. You see little.
That's great. So this is why there seems to be a lot more bees around.
Let's just see if you can. If you can zoom in here, or get close to that, you can see the little eggs. Tiny, tiny little eggs.
Where?
In the cells, at the very bottom middle of the cells. I don't know if it'll show up or not.
So that's the honey above them, isn't
it?
And the brood cells are underneath.
Is that the sugar water still?
Oh, and look, you got larvae on the bottom here. All curled up.
Oh yeah.
Right. Might show more when the film is on the computer.
So what will they do with all that honey that they've drunk? Will they put it back again?
Yeah, basically. Once they're
happy.
We haven't seen the queen yet, but we've seen
there she is.
Eggs.
She's this side.
I can't tell if I'm level with this, John.
That's alright.
Where?
There's loads hatched out, isn't there?
There's absolutely loads, yeah. Oh yeah, there she is, green dot.
Where? Oh.
Middle.
Alright, I'll try and get closer.
Yeah.
You go.
Alright.
What are the ones doing with their heads stuck in the hatched out cells then?
Well, there's a number of things they do. They're cleaning it, for one thing.
Yeah.
And also they'll be feeding it the bee stuff that they secrete in their head, which is the brood food basically.
Right. I think it was a lot more than it was last time.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, they're covering the frames, but they're really covering it, whereas last time they were sort of
bits and bats.
Yeah. So queen's good. Queen's laying. So we've seen eggs.
There's tons of brood, isn't there? Not a lot of honey, but loads of brood.
Yeah. Well, there is more honey than last time.
Is there?
It's above every one, and there was only one it was above last time, wasn't it?
When do you get to put the supers on then?
Well, they've still got blank frames that they can fill up. So I'll do once they've used all the space. That's when. Well, no. Once they've used most of it, then you put it on.
So she was more or less in the middle of the colony, wasn't she?
She'll be going sort of along all the areas where she needs to lay.
Oh, and that's a lot more unhatched brood on that one.
Oh yeah.
On this side.
Yeah, this side too.
Oh, there's going to be masses of bees soon, isn't there? It's going to increase exponentially.
Oh yeah, loads there as well. Because there's loads on this side as well.
Yeah. And are they slow to hatch at this end? Oh, maybe later.
Well, no, this area will have hatched first.
Oh, right.
And then
being recolonised.
Yeah, so this is like might be part 2. Is this not squishing too many?
Oh, that looks full.
Same there.
Oh, there's loads of pollen on here.
Is there? Oh yeah. It's yellow, isn't it?
Let's have a look.
Stuffed with pollen.
Where in particular?
In here.
There's loads of bees with pollen on the legs.
Ah.
We saw loads going in this morning.
This is the pollen
with saddlebags
factory,
of
pollen store. Pollen warehouse.
And again, honey at the top.
Yeah.
So I mean, they must have got a fair amount of nectar now. Yeah. On top of the sugar syrup. Just realised they didn't take the goods off. Is there Rizzy?
She's not at all bothered, is she?
Oh, there's a common bumblebee there.
Where, love?
There we go.
Excellent.
Just see if they're
Is
nudes.
it waterproof then?
Sorry?